Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video is going to be my recap on my Shop My Stash for the month of January. So what that means is I'm going to basically go through all the products that I picked out for the month of January, and I will tell you guys whether or not I'm still loving the products or not. But before we get on into this video, you guys know the drill. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. But other than that, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm just going to go through the products as I would apply them on my face. So the foundation I ended up pulling this month was this Milk Makeup Blur Liquid Foundation, and this is a matte foundation. And what I found out is I can't get this product to work for me, unfortunately, which is really sad because I actually really do like this product when it comes to I actually really like the coverage on this. I would consider this full coverage. I mean, if you had a really bad pimple, maybe, it would take some layering, but I thought the coverage on this was pretty good, and that's why I'm really sad that I couldn't get it to work for me. And the reason why I couldn't get it to work for me is because it's a matte. And I don't know if it's just the foundation or if it's just my skin, but every time I would apply it, it just made me look super dry. And it wasn't just like I had dry patches and it clung to that. I mean, that's pretty typical when it comes to foundation for me. If I have a dry spot or where an old pimple was and it's kind of just dry around that area, this would definitely accentuate that. But it wasn't just that. It would, around my forehead or something, it would just start, looking crackly. It was really gross, and I don't know, and I couldn't ever set this because when I set it, it made it 10 times worse. I couldn't set down the foundation. So, unfortunately, I really, really wanted to like this product, and I do, but I don't at the same time. Maybe if my skin tone ever, or my skin type ever changes and doesn't become so dry, maybe I can pull this back out. I do think I'm going to try mixing it. Maybe I'll try mixing this with another foundation and see if that works. I didn't get to do that, but I was thinking about that. I was like, I wonder if I can mix it, and I may try that. It's just, right now, this doesn't work for me, which is sad. But if you don't have dry skin, I would suggest giving that product a try. I mean, I see it in TJ Maxx a lot right now, so maybe go down to your local TJ Maxx and see if there is one of these milk makeup foundations there, because I don't know if I would outright pay the full price like in Sephora or wherever they carry this product, but if you found a good deal on it, I would suggest trying it out. Alright, so what else? Concealer. So I've used this concealer before, and this is the Dose of Colors concealer. It's just a Meet Your Hue concealer. I do really like this, and like I said, I had used it before, and I still like it. I never have problems with it. It blends out really well, has pretty good coverage. Yeah, that's all I have really to say about it. I still like the product. Alright, then I set my face. Yeah. The brow product I use is one I've been using for a while, so I'm not going to talk about that. It's just the Billion Dollar Brows Universal Brow Pencil, and it's an okay product. I'm really just trying to use it up. So I'm not really going to talk about that, but I did set my face down with the Pretty Vulgar Matte About It setting powder. I've used this one several times too. I don't have a ton of setting powder, so I just pulled one that I've used before, and still like it. It does a pretty good job. Doesn't make my face look too cakey or too dry, so pretty good powder. Alright, what next? Okay, bronzer. So this is the first time I've used this bronzer, and this is the Ace Beauté Bronzed in Paradise bronzing palette here. It's got a mirror in it, but here is the actual bronzer. So this was my first time, I believe, using this product. I don't know. I have mixed feelings about this. I feel like it looks okay. By the way, all the products I'm wearing, aside from the foundation, I didn't use the foundation, but everything else I have on my face today. I don't think I like this bronzer palette. I think it's the undertone. I think it's too yellowy or something. Even, I don't even know how it looks on camera, but in person it looks okay. It's just not my favorite. I prefer more cool-toned bronzers, and I think it looks kind of crappy right now. I tried using different shades on here. I would typically use this shade right here, but this one I found it looked a little yellowy on me, or at least on camera it looked really yellowy, and in person it looked okay. So today I tried to go in with the next one up, which is darker one, because I was hoping it would be more cool toned, but unfortunately it has more of that redder undertone, which I really don't like. So I just feel like it makes me look dirty, like I just look like I put dirt on my face. So this one just didn't work too well for me. I'll give it another shot eventually, but right now it's looking like I could let go of this product, which is sad because I really wanted to like it. I mean, the actual formula and everything is really nice. It's just the undertones don't work for me. So I was kind of sad about that. All right, and then for blush, I pulled the Ciate London Marbled Light blush here. And this is in the shade Burnt. I actually really like this blush. I think it's really pretty, and it looked really nice, and it's very pigmented, blends out really well. So I really do like this, and that's all I have to say about it. I like it a lot, so I really like the shade. I think it looks good on me. All right, so highlighter. So I pulled a ColourPop one. This is one of their Super Shock Cheek highlighters in the shade Lunch Money. This one, I don't know. I mean, it looks really pretty on camera, and in person it's like a very subtle glow. I feel like the camera is picking it up. Maybe the light's shining on it is picking it up a little bit better than in person, because in person it's not that glowy. It's just like a very nice subtle glow, which is fine. The only thing I had a problem with this is applying it. It's so soft that I can't apply it with a brush. I mean, I tried, but it just doesn't pick it up enough. So I have to go in with my fingertip, and sometimes I feel like with the fingertip, it doesn't always give it the best application. So I really had to build it up even just to get it to look like this. So I don't know. I think I need to figure out a better way to apply it, because it is really pretty. I mean, I'm not complaining about it. I do like a more beaming highlight. And like I said, on camera, it does, you know, when the lights hit it just right, it does look really nice. But, I mean, I don't know. Just sitting here, looking at the mirror, I can see it, but it's not like bam. And that's kind of what I like. But it's a really nice subtle one. If you like subtle highlighters, I think you'll like this. But it's just the applying it. I haven't figured out how to apply it. Maybe I need to apply it with a sponge or something. Because like I said, it just doesn't pick it up on brush. Or at least the brush that I use. Maybe I need to use a different brush. I don't know. So I just need to figure out how to use this product. But it is really pretty. Alright. So the palette. The eyeshadow palette that I had this month is the Nubian Palette by Juvia's Place. Or is it just by Juvia's? I think it's just by Juvia's. But very neutral palette. Don't have any complaints about this. I did stay more to the neutral side. I didn't really use these reds. I personally don't think like red eyeshadow looks really good on me. I find that with my pale skin, it always just makes me look sick. So I tried to stay away from like reds. I don't know. But yeah, I just personally don't prefer red shades, and there is like a pretty red shimmer here. I mean, it looks really pretty. It's just I'm always scared to use it, because like I said, whenever I use reds, they always just make me look sickly. But I really did like the neutral parts. I used these two and that one, and I really like this one to deepen up the corner. This shimmer is really nice. I like this gold one here. It was probably my favorite. That one's a nice copper. I don't think I got to use this one, but this one does look really pretty. So, really good palette. I'm glad I have it. Like I said, the quality is there. The quality is definitely pretty good. Very beautiful neutral palette. I couldn't say that I was like super, I don't know. I really like neutrals, but this is probably not my favorite neutrals. I kind of wish there was some, I don't know. I really don't have that many complaints. It's a good palette, so I'll just leave it at that. Alright, then let's see. Guys, I just realized I forgot to put mascara on. I was like, dang it. I'm so bad about that. Hold on, give me a second. My eyelashes were probably screaming at me like, bitch, you forgot about us. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Okay. I mean, you probably can't even notice. You probably didn't even notice, but I did. I was like, I forgot something. It was mascara. Back to what I was talking about. Alright, so lip products. I picked 4 different lip products and I only used 2 of them, or 3 of them. I used 3 of them, but anyways. So the one I used the most this month, which is kind of surprising, I don't know, I think it's because the makeup looks that I did this month, I tried other like palettes out and things. I did a couple of Chit Chat Get Ready with me, and I think I did more bolder looks. I don't remember what I did, but anyways, what I ended up using the most was this Ilia. I don't know if I'm saying that right, Ilia, I don't know how to say it. But it's this nude lipstick. I got it in a BoxyCharm, I think this month or maybe last month, but anyways, this is really pretty nude. And I really, really like the shade. I thought it was really pretty and it was really comfortable on the lips. So I gravitated more towards this month, which is surprising me because, like I said, I've been really loving the reds, and I do have a red lip on today, and I'll get to that in a minute. But anyways, so I've chosen 2 red lipsticks this month. One was an actual like lipstick, and the other one's liquid lipstick. But this one is by Bite Beauty, and this is in the shade Cherry Truffle. It's in one of their mini lipsticks. It's so cute, so tiny. Anyways, this one was actually really nice. This one actually is a lot darker than I thought it was gonna be. Like, I thought it was a bright red, but it's more like a cherry red, I would say. Like cherry red's kind of like cherries are more of a deeper red, and I'd say this is true to its name. It's a cherry red. So I did actually really like this. Again, this one had really nice formula, very comfortable on the lips, and so I do really like it, and I will continue using that one. Then I picked one from Milani, and this is what I'm wearing right now, and this is the first time I wore it. Like I said, I gravitated more towards that nude shade this month, but I did want to try this one out because I didn't want to be like, I didn't use it, so I don't know what I think of it. From the one time I'm wearing it, the shade is actually really, really pretty. I really do like the shade of it. The only thing I don't like is it doesn't dry down. It's like, it's a liquid lipstick that doesn't dry down, and when it comes to liquid lipsticks, I prefer ones that dry down so I don't have to worry about it getting on my teeth. I keep having to check my teeth because a couple of times it has gotten down on my teeth, which is pretty common when it comes to lipstick. But like I said, I don't feel, liquid lipsticks don't usually do that to me. Like, once they dry down, they stay down and they don't get on my teeth. So that's why I always prefer liquid lipsticks that dry down, so I don't have to worry about red lipstick being on my teeth. But this is the the Milani one. I don't know why I said Mulan. This is the Milani one, and this is in the shade Passion. For anybody that's curious, like I said, I wish it dried down, but having said that, it is really nice on the lips. It is pretty comfortable. The only thing you have to watch out for is it transferring to your teeth, but the shade is actually, I really like the shade though. So I like it. It's just not one I would gravitate towards. I would probably choose a liquid lipstick that dried down, but if I didn't have any other options, I would definitely still use that one. Alright, and then the one product that I didn't use this month was this Fenty gloss bomb in the shade Diamond. I really didn't have anything that would, I don't know why I chose a gloss. All I had was lipsticks and none of them dried down, so I prefer, if I'm going to wear a gloss, to put it on top of something that's not going to budge. So I don't really know why I chose it. I think I was just like, oh, I'll choose a gloss in case I want to use one, and I didn't end up using it. I've said this several times in my Shop My Stashes, I've just really not been feeling glosses lately. I feel like glosses are more like a summertime thing. Like, I prefer to wear glosses during summertime, and it's not summer, it's super cold right now, so I don't know. I think I'm not going to pull any more glosses for a while, not until the weather kind of warms back up, but it is like, it's nothing against this product, I just didn't feel like wearing it. But this is a very nice lip gloss. Alright, so mascara, I'm still using up a different mascara, so I don't have anything to say about it because I'm just trying to use it up. I didn't pull it in from this month. This is one that's been in my rotation for a while now, for at least 2 or 3 months now. But yeah, I think that is everything. I think I covered all the products. So yeah, not too bad of a month. I would say the only products that didn't work for me, or the ones that I'm not liking, is unfortunately, the milk makeup. And I wouldn't say I don't like it, it just didn't work for me. I want to like it. I wish it would work for me because I think this is a good foundation. It's just, it doesn't work for my dry skin. So this was unfortunately a no-go for me. And the bronzer palette. And I don't know, maybe eventually maybe I need to work with this a little more. I don't know, let me know down in the comments what you think of my bronzer right now. I'm wearing it, but I don't know, I don't think it looks bad, but sometimes I kind of look at it, I'm just like, it's just not my favorite. The formula and everything's really nice. I think it's the undertone of it that's just, I really don't like it. So this one didn't work for me, unfortunately. But yeah, other than that, all the other products were really good. I really liked using them. But yeah, that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like seeing these types of videos. And let me know down in the comments what you thought of my recap for this month. And yeah, next video should be my Shop My Stash for the month of February. Can't believe January's already over and February's almost here. Wow, this year's already flying by. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!